Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna give you guys my new house tour. So yeah, let's get into it. So firstly we have the front door. The front area right here. The table, some living room, some cat food. This is a island right here with a stove. And then we got a microwave, toaster, 2 paper towel rolls, the pantry. Alright, I'm back. So we got my room here, we got my bed, that stuff, my closet, which is pretty small, pretty big to be honest. It's a walk-in closet, didn't expect that. And then pillows, the laundry room, the bathroom, my brother's rooms, another closet. And then over here from Walmart, got my parents' room, which is cool. TV, closet, bathroom, another closet, Jik and Jackie. And over here we have the family room, TV, some there, piano that we won't use, some great seating. Yep. Thanks for watching this new house tour that I'm actually living in. If you did, like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.